what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I'm very excited to present you this beautiful kit beside me, and to be honest, I'm excited to build this. And as a matter of fact, I pre-ordered it last August 2023 and I just got this kit this month, March 2024. So imagine how long it takes for me to get this kit from the seller. So I bought it here in the Philippines, in Filipino shop R&R Collectibles, or R&R Toys Collectibles, here in Manila. And this kit came from the most popular mecha anime here in the Philippines from 1970s or 1979, I think. And to be honest, it got a reboot for a live action series here in the Philippines where Filipino actors portrayed the characters from that anime series. So what I'm talking about is VOLTES 5. So VOLTES 5 here I have from the Bandai Shokugan modeling project, or the Super Minipla. I got here the laser sword version, and this is very nice, very small. Actually, the box is smaller than your average kit. So even the high grade box is much bigger than this box. But it's a bit heavy. The box is a bit heavy, meaning it's packed with parts. And yep, it has a pleasant box, very cool looking box here. So you can see the VOLTES 5 and the 5 jets on his side. Just a quick trivia, VOLTES 5 is so the box here is very beautiful, to be honest. This box is very beautiful, although it was small. At first, when I got this from the seller, I was expecting that this box will be big, but when he gave it to me, I was surprised that this box is even smaller than a high-grade model kit box from Gundam series. Anyway, what I noticed is it is very compact and a little heavy, to be honest. So we can see the box art here, VOLTES 5 together with the 5 jets that comprises him. So it says here VOLTES 5 in Japanese, and there's this Japanese text here. Unfortunately, I cannot read it. So it's from Bandai Namco Shokugan modeling project, or the Super Minipla. So the side of the box, we can see the 5 Volt machines, the Volt Cruiser, Volt Bomber, Volt Panzer, Volt Frigate, and Volt Lander. So that's the 5 machines comprises of VOLTES 5. So on the other side, we can see the actual build, and we can see the accessories here. There's the laser sword, interchangeable hands, and some parts there. And at the back of the box, we can see VOLTES 5 wielding the, what we call here in the Philippines, in the Philippine translation, as the laser sword. But I think in Japan, it's the heaven sword. So there's this slashing pose of VOLTES 5 and the VOLTES tank. I think this is the tank mode. So very nice, very nicely done here. So if we open the box here, we can see a compressed runners for VOLTES 5, and we can see the mini pack here, where we can see the head parts. So these are the head parts, the face part of VOLTES 5. Very nicely done, pre-painted parts here. And we have the chest part, where we can attach the laser sword And there's the hilt, the iconic hilt of the sword. And this yellow pieces here, I don't know what kind of part is this. We'll learn later as we build. And okay, let's get all the contents. Okay, so this is very compressed. I thought there's a gum here, but there's no Shokugan modeling project gum here. Anyway, the instruction manual here is wrapped in this plastic, so you can open this, and there's this foil stickers included. There are foil stickers for color correcting parts or sticker. And we have here the manual, instruction manual. So this is a large printout, unlike your traditional Bandai or Gundam manual. So we can see here how to transform VOLTES 5. Okay. There we can see the 5 jets being transformed and combined into this majestic VOLTES 5 here. And how to transform him into a tank. Okay. And here you can see here in this manual how to assemble the parts of VOLTES 5. Yep. So this is how to assemble him. And I'm a bit disappointed because the manual is just like a bond paper. I thought this will be like a booklet, like the traditional Gundam style of manual. Anyway, let's go to the parts here, the runners. So we have 3 divided packs here for the white parts, and there is a pre-painted part there, and these are the blue parts again. And we have gray parts here, metallic gray parts, yellow parts with red parts included there, and finally the red runner here for the red parts again. And there's this pre-painted part for the Volt Cruiser. And we go here to the other pack. We have here blue parts again, blue runners, and parts for the laser sword or the heaven sword. So this is a silver, I think this is pre-painted, painted silver. And we have clear blue parts here for the canopies of the fighter jets. And we have here missile, I think these are missile accessories, something like that. And yep, let's build this one quickly. So as always, we'll have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's go here first with the blue parts here, small runners. We have runner U and runner N for the blue parts. We have runner G for the red parts with pre-painted part here for the Volt Cruiser. We have yellow parts here for runner I. We have another red parts here for runner H. We have metallic gray here, or metallic black colored runners for runner J and runner K. And we have blue runners here for runner C, runner F, runner E, and runner D for the hands. So I noticed that the hands are a bit large, so it's very nice. There's a large hand for VOLTES 5 here, so it's very cute. The hands is cute. Then we have here white parts for runner B, runner A. Okay, so white parts for runner A with the pre-painted part there. We have clear blue parts here for runner L, and another white parts for runner M. And we have this silver part for the laser sword or the heaven sword. We have here separated pieces for these yellow parts, for this hilt of the sword, the chest piece here with pre-painted part, VOLTES 5 face here, and the head. So this is the head armor. So it's part of the Volt Cruiser. And we have foil sticker for color correcting sticker. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Let's build, let's vault in, and let's enjoy building this Shokugan modeling project, VOLTES 5. Let's vault in.